Again for everyone. So I want to make the best thing too, and I mean, uh, I meant everything. I want to be a bro too. So I can you tell me if can I be the second bro? Cause I really like to be the second bro, please. And I want to be like PewDiePie. And now my my first thing first is um, telling secrets. So anyway, so the first, first, my name, true name is Sharon Daniel Silibu now, and my fake name is Kirpa Aloja. So I'll try. I'm sorry, Kirpa Z, that I used your name, but I changed it into Aloja. So I really want to be a bro too. So if you my bro, if you PewDiePie's bros or marzipans, I will call you guys. So I'm sorry if I tell that. But I'm gonna use this bro sign. And thank you for doing this for me. And if you tell I'm not a copier, okay? I just want to make cool games, but I'm sorry, pretty. If I get all of your life, but no, I will only get your cool games, and but I won't get all because some are SPG and I'm still a kid, and I really want just to um use another episode. So I'll use lots of videos and for your bros for Marzipans, for Marzia, and for me. So thank you. If you understand that I want to be a second bro because I only like money. No, I only like to play games or something to be a learner. If you really understand it, thank you. And you could pass for me if you really like to. And I'm really sorry that I did this to you, but I really like it because I really like to be a game player too, just like Fury. But I won't get it all. But thank you for watching, and thank you. I'm gonna use this bro sign, I guess. Well, I really like it. Sis fist. Sis fist. Ah, okay. Bye. See you, sis. Or bros. Bros and sis fist. Bye. So, anyway, I'm gonna use this again. I guess you won't be angry for me. I have lots of techniques. Okay, bye.